Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Pulse here with the PeakBot team. Hope everybody's having a fantastic Friday. We are joined here by my co-founder and co-host Ben and co-host Thomas. How are we doing, gentlemen?
Has he upgraded to co-host status?
He's a co-host. Yeah, not a co-founder, but a co-host.
Co-host, I'll take that. Dillon, how are you doing? You know, we have to ask you too.
Well, Thomas, you jumped the gun a little too quick there. You didn't even answer. Let yourself answer how you're doing.
I'm doing pretty good. I'm good.
So quickly for the audience, Thomas, of course, is our left and right hand man here at PeakBot, and we've had a busy and good couple months here. And Thomas has been really excited about this food truck that he's dragging Ben and I to. We're going next week. And now, he's telling us, okay, I'm on board for any food truck. Now he's telling me it's steaks. Like, not a steak sandwich, not like just steaks from a food truck. I'm concerned,
steak,
everybody.
Like a sirloin steak.
It's steak and fries.
Okay, but steak is a pretty hefty thing to eat, like on the go, I think. But anyway, it doesn't matter.
And another layer on top of that is most people will have a food truck for lunch.
Yeah.
Thomas wants us to go for dinner.
Yeah. It's like we're gonna make it work, and we're gonna share pictures of this meal on our.
I think you have to show it now. Like, I just want you guys to see what.
Are you gonna pull it up?
You're gonna share screen of this food truck?
Yeah. Just look at this.
Okay.
Hold on, I got you. You got it.
Look at how good that looks.
Okay, so is this served on a wooden stump?
I think that's just like a stump. I think it's just for show. I think it really comes
in like a bowl.
Can you get us another? Can you get us another image, please?
This is like a protein bowl.
This is their like. Let's see. This is it here. It's not a protein bowl. They have like tons of different things. Hold on, let me just look.
Do they also have a restaurant?
No, I don't think so.
This isn't going well.
That looks so good.
It does look good. No, I'll give you that.
It does. It does look good.
I just want to zoom in.
Okay, yeah.
That's like the best picture of their steak and fries. That's what I really want to try.
We'll try it.
You have to go like on their TikTok. Like, look at the steak there.
Yeah, it looks great.
That's like good quality. It's not like.
All right, I'm pumped. Let's get back to the regularly scheduled programming, but we will post our real photo next week. So let's get this off the screen. We're going to get into a couple things here today. As always, we will be taking a look at our PeakBot picks. First week where all three of us have officially been on the same page making picks. Ben did enter on Monday. Thomas and I entered on Friday.
I completely forgot about that, actually. I don't even remember.
All expiring today. Few hours left with the market. So we'll see how we're doing there. Clean slate. All three of us have a 0-0 record. We'll see who takes the lead today. Additionally, we will maybe be teasing a couple new things that we have going on. We'll take a look at Ben's surprised by that. We'll take a look at a couple other things. Of course, we have live trades coming here, hands-free trading, potentially in the next minute.
It's got to be you guys, because I paused my bots because I wanted to go through our picks first. I'm shooting for the 2 p.m. entry window.
Yeah, I think Dillon might be the only one getting trades right now.
Me?
Yeah, I think you might be, because I'm all disconnected from everything right now except for what we have in the works.
All right, because you guys are testing here. So I have
heavy test day.
Yeah, so I got a couple things going on in my account, which I'll pull up here in just a second. I have the wheel and trend spread operating on 3 different stocks: Bank of America, Charles Schwab, and Cisco Systems. So let me pull up my screen here. We'll just take a look at that. Can you guys see my screen here?
No.
Oh, come on.
I got you.
There we go.
Okay. So these are positions.
There you go.
These are positions I'm in right now. So Bank of America is set to expire today. I have, and we're going to keep this eye on the orders up here just in case anything places. With Bank of America, this is on my wheel strategy. Actually, The only trade we might actually see action on right now is Schwab. Everything else is going to go to expiration. So Bank of America on the wheel, I had a put at 38.50, sold put at 38.50. That is well above right now. So that's going to end as a profitable trade for me. I was assigned on Cisco at like 48 or 49.50. Now it's up at 52, which I'm loving. So I'm nice, and I'm not up that much. I'm not up 5,200. I'm up about $300 on this Cisco here. And then I have a combo spread. And maybe, Ben, I'll hand it to you to kind of just talk through how this looks different as it would normally from the wheel. You can explain it a bit better, but maybe we don't do it now. But I do have what looks to be an in the money sold call, and then a protective put here at 49. So, I'm making my money here. I'm giving some back on this combo spread, it looks like, but that's a new update to the wheel strategy. And then,
so real quick, I just want to take a look at your position here. So do you know at what price your shares of Cisco were assigned at?
Let me check. I'm almost certain they were at
48.
48.50 or 49.50. Let's see here. So Cisco
48.50. Oh no, 49.50. You're right. You're right.
49.50.
So head back to the dashboard, and we could do some quick math here. So 49.50, and then you sold a call at 51.50, and that call is in the money right now. So, your shares will be called away at 51.50. So you bought your shares, you were forced to buy your shares at 49.50. Now you're forced to sell your shares at 51.50. So you're making $200 on that spread, or on that, assignment and calling away of shares. So that's great. $200 right there. You collected premium. So $200, you collected premium on the first trade that you got assigned on, right? So you collected premium there, and then you collected premium on this trade, even though the call is negative right now. That put is, it's lost most of its value too anyway, but the put's now there to protect against any downside, right? So you made premium on the first trade, you got assigned, you're making a realized gain on the shares, and you were able to protect yourself with a put. It only cost you $5, it looks like, too. So you protected yourself from downside. So you got assigned at 49.50. That put capped your downside at just $50, which is incredible. That's a great insurance policy. Pay $5, cap your downside to $50 in case something terrible happens. So, and this, I think, my opinion, really good trade.
Great wheel trade. It's perfect.
Yeah,
you made 18 cents in premium on that sold call too.
So made 18 here. So this 51 that's losing money right now, that will or will not really appear. That's showing this. That's really just going to sell these shares.
Yeah, it's counterbalanced by the shares that you have in your account. So you made the premium from the put side. You made the premium from that sold call. So you actually made 18 minus 5, so $13 this week in premium, and then you're going to make 200 on the buying and selling of shares.
Yeah, so this negative 51 doesn't really come into play for my account balance necessarily, because it's not like it's pulling it out of the 200 earned here, or it is.
No.
Yeah. Okay.
No.
All right.
Holding until expiration.
So a good trade there. Bank of America seems to be good, not owning the shares on the put side. And then Schwab, which again could place here at some point while we're live. I have this rolling on the trend spread strategy. I have a call credit spread trying to stay below 66. Right now it's just above 65. So I do have some breathing room there. As of right now, out of the money, if it stays that way, I will have collected about $12 in premium on that contract. So yeah, I'll keep refreshing this, and if any Schwab orders come through, I will let us know.
Cool. All right. In that case, are you guys ready for a little trader trivia?
Yeah, I think I am.
I'm ready.
Okay.
Which we did publicly before you get into it.
Oh yeah.
I just want to mention yesterday in the Trader Summit, which great event. awesome event on the Tradier Summit, Options Trading Summit. We asked a question. We actually were giving out a free quarter to the individual who answered correctly promptly. Was the first answer correctly. We had a lot of submissions, a lot of responses, which we're still going to provide you with, something nice. But thank you for everybody who tuned in yesterday for our discussion around do bots work during major market events. Take it away.
I think we crushed it.
Yeah,
Ben,
I think so too.
I hate to burst your bubble, Ben, but we answered this question last week.
No, did
Yeah.
we?
Well, you weren't here, Ben. So me and
So
Dillon
you went onto my slides and you stole
I did tell you this, Ben. I did tell you that Thomas went into your GPT,
your GPT
combo.
assistant.
You got to admit right now, I did tell you this, right?
Yeah, you
All
did.
right.
You did, but I didn't know you took the exact question that I was going to use.
Well, yeah, because we were like, well, let's see if Ben has trader trivia, and I was like, let me just go into his
Schwab
GPT
order.
assistant. Oh, share your screen.
Change it back. Change it back.
Sorry, man. Sorry. Pulling it up.
Now you have another hand. Now it's not.
Oh, see, he's trading with his other hand.
See.
Can't trust him.
It's still
Right.
not. Oh, there we go.
So
Schwab order. Dillon
fill the
did
order
not
here.
do.
Close it.
I feel dirty saying that S word on the Tradier Hub.
Yeah. No. Well, it's the stock. I was bearish on it,
It's
and
also-
I am again.
It's a short too, so I feel
I'm
like
bearish. I made
Yeah.
money on the bearish. Maybe I'll do it again next week. Here we are. Here's the new trade. It's September 27th. Sold call trying to stay under 67. So the strike moved up $1. We'll see how we do. Earned 25 on that. Paid back 7. So $18 in premium. Here's the orders. So that filled while we were talking here on the trend spread strategy with PeakBot, which you can automate for just $29 a month, along with all of our other strategies. Why don't we look at our picks?
Let's do that.
Ben can't have an update. Ben's trying to crank out a new trader trivia question right now. So
I was just gonna. I was going to ask, do you guys know what quadruple witching is? It's quadruple witching day.
Nah. No. Ask me.
So quadruple witching day happens 4 times out of the year, and it's when contracts expire for stock index futures, stock index options, stock options, and stock futures. So when all of them expire in the same day, we call that quadruple witching day. And there's an interesting link on Investopedia if you want to read more about it.
Throw it in the chat.
Debatable on the impact that it has on the overall market.
I was going to say, it sounds terrifying.
Yeah, it does. It does. So what Investopedia says about the market impact is the combination of monthly and quarterly derivatives expiring generates a lot of trading volume that's in the money. Contracts are subject to automatic exercise, blah, blah, blah. It looks like it's just, overall increase in trading volume. But it says quadruple witching days do not necessarily add to market volatility. So if you're looking for some volatility, you're in the wrong place. You should have been here on Wednesday because there is some volatility happening on and overnight, Wednesday into Thursday. Huge gap in the market.
Yeah, that was the big one. Wednesday didn't move at all.
Wednesday shot up and then back down and then up and down.
Yeah,
there were some really full bars.
Yeah, gold shot up a lot, and then it tanked seconds later.
Yeah. So, all right, let's get into the picks here. Well, we're gonna review first, right?
Yeah, we're gonna take a look here. You guys are you're gonna let me know you can see my screen.
I've got my screen up.
All right,
on your screen. Here's your screen.
Well, can we have both?
I don't think so.
I don't think
okay.
So.
Hey,
let me touch mine. Maybe you get two.
Luis, let us know if you're still here. Let us know if we can do both screens. So if my screen's up, we have the PeakBot picks. These are all trade ideas. This is paper trading, if you will. It's a contest. However, Ben, Thomas, myself, we all go in. If we like the chart that we're looking at enough for this contest, we'll go add that stock. We'll make that trade. You can see my Schwab trade right here that you guys just saw made live. That was from last week and entered a new one for this week. So who do we want to go first? We want to just get the winner out of the way.
I kind of want to see Ben's. You know, Ben's
Well,
got 4 bearish.
Yeah, I probably got slammed. I got smoked this week. But we probably don't have a winner yet. We can have an estimate of who will win.
Yeah, no, right. We got a couple hours left here, but this will give us a good gauge here. By
Okay,
the way, is
yeah.
there music playing?
Yeah, where did this music come from?
Yeah, I thought we could put some background music on.
All right, cool. That's fine. I like it. Let's put it on. So let's look at Ben's. Ben, you can take my screen off now if you'd like.
Yeah, it's off.
And let's just look at the charts. But don't be quick on the trigger here.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
We're gonna go with your Sunrun put spread. So we're bullish. You were trying to stay above $18 strike price to collect $19 in premium.
Damn.
And right now you are.
Oh, 18. I think you said 19.
PeakBot picks. Let me just get this on the screen. Okay, very nice. Very nice. 1 for 1 right now. Again, nothing's finalized. Now we're going into the bears. Ticker TNA. You were bearish call spread. You were trying to stay below $45 in at your strike to earn 49.
Ooh,
Just
right
over.
right on the edge.
Let's
Right
look
on
at
the
the
edge.
5-day.
You need a quick sell-off at the end. A quick sell-off.
Apologies.
5-day. Oh, we've got some movement downward today. I think that we dipped well below 45 at one point. I think I'm gonna pull out a win here.
I wouldn't call that a win yet. You never know.
Well,
You never know.
it'll happen. It will be a win.
You're gonna manifest it. Start speaking it into existence.
Yeah, exactly.
On paper. Oh man, we dropped 8
We're right
cents.
on the edge. We'll have to revisit this ticker later on.
Okay.
All right, deal. So let's also now look at ticker SOXL, little Soxel, bearish call spread. You earned $43 in premium, trying to stay below $37.
Whoa,
done.
Soxel.
Well done. Okay, very cool. 2 for 3 on paper with one very close. Wayfair call spread, bearish trade, $35 earned in premium. You were trying to stay below $51 with a few hours remaining. Ticker Wayfair, ticker W. All right, 2 for 4. This is right up Ben's alley. This is as expected for Ben. 2 for 5, 3 for 5 heading into the day. Normally pulls another one out at the end. So we also have last one, BitX call spread bearish, $25 earned in premium. You were trying to stay below 29.
I think Bitcoin.
Ooh,
Also
right on
close.
the edge.
What's the movement this week? Ooh,
Big gap up
2.
after FOMC. And now we've just been kind of trading in a range, a little above 29, a little below 29. This could go either way today.
So you're 2 for 5 on paper, but 2 that are also very close. So you could have a nice swing here. Okay, excellent. 2 for 5. Let's see what the rest of the day does for you. Thomas, you're up, kid. Ready?
I'm ready.
All right. So Thomas had 2 put spreads, so 2 bullish, 3 bearish. Okay, all picked last Friday, set to expire this Friday. Thomas, you want to hear your bears or your bulls first?
Let's start with the Bears.
Okay.
I want to get this
Disney. Thomas was bearish on Disney, earned $26 in premium on this trade if he was to take it, trying to stay below 93.
Oh,
Yikes. Also,
man.
sense. There.
5-day. Let's see what it did this week. I like when they're close. I want to know what we're working with.
Oh, we're trending. Was this bearish or bullish?
Bearish.
Below 90.
All right, so you're trending in the right direction, Thomas.
Hit the 1 day. Hit the 1 day. You're in a channel here.
Bam, 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 bam.
But you're at the top of the channel.
You're bouncing right up and down above and below $93.
That'll be very close.
That's going to be close.
Next one for Thomas, bearish XOM. You would have earned $41 in premium. You're trying to stay below $114 strike price.
Don't think I did.
Sold call 114.
Oh man!
Also very close for an expensive stock.
Look at that nice dip down yesterday, going into today, kind of leveling off.
It's nice
Still got some room to go.
That could be a bullish play for next week. I kind of like that support there.
I mean, look at the 1 month. You know, this past 10 days have been pretty bullish. That's for sure. But prior to that, you know, you're pretty bearish.
These are interesting.
Looks like there's a decent support line on the 3-month chart right around this $114 level. I mean, we obviously dipped below that the last week and then back above it this week. Yeah, I wouldn't hate the 114 line of support. Fortunately, Thomas, you chose it as resistance this week, and it broke right through that.
Yeah, it's unfortunate.
If you want to know, you can go to our watch list and see what our current strikes are on it. We don't need to do that right now, but for next week maybe. I'll definitely be jotting this down for our picks live. Did we say we're going to make the picks today, or are we all making them Monday?
Well,
are we making picks today?
We're making picks today.
Oh, dude, we got to get going. All right.
Well, I thought we decided because there's 3 of us, we're only doing 3 picks each, and I think we're going to do
5 minutes maybe.
5 minutes. Oh man,
5 minutes.
5 minutes for 3 picks.
Well, my original idea was 3 minutes, 3 picks.
That's chaos. That's chaos. If you have an idea in the comment of what you guys want to see us do in a minute here, let us know. All right, let's keep moving then. So, Thomas, Disney, XOM, both kind of flirting with it. Dollar General, ticker DG, call spread, bearish, earned 48 in premium, looking to stay below 88.
Below 88.
Yes.
Nicely done. Big drop.
It is below 88.
Okay. Today, actually tanked.
Thomas, 2 bulls, and slow me down if we want. I don't know why I'm in a rush. I'm stressed. So 2 bulls. Zim Integrated Systems, ticker ZIM, earned 14 in premium, trying to stay above 17.5.
Above.
Well done.
And we are.
So I've lost track if you're 2 for 4 or 3 for 4 technically.
2 for 4 right now.
2 for 4. Okay. DraftKings, good season. Tis the season.
Put
Put spread. Go Jets. 24-3 over the Patriots. That's fun. Haven't heard that in 20 years. DraftKings, put spread. Bullish, earned $57 in premium at a $37 sold put. Trying to stay above 37. Well done.
Damn.
Okay. So 3 for 5.
Could go 4 for 5. I don't think XOM is going to drop. I think Disney's got it.
All right. So both of you are kind of 3 for 5, 4 for 5. Let's go to the champ. We're going to go. I got 2 bears, 3 bulls. Okay. We're going to start bears. We're going to go ticker CVX, call spread bearish, earned 40 in premium let's try to stay above my sold put at 144. You fat fingered it, man. You went fast.
It was not a fat finger.
So I'm okay with it.
It was a fast finger, not a fat finger.
This is also very close. Just give me the 1 day, 5 day real quick. This is very close. We've never had this many this close to the month.
What was your number? 144?
144.
And you want to stay above?
Yeah.
Not too much volume here today, so I think you've got this.
Anything can happen. But yeah. All right. Schwab, as we all saw, call spread, bearish. My strike was 65.
No, your strike was 60.
Well, no, my actual trade was 66, but when we picked it, it was at 65. I was trying to stay below 65. Did we do it? Where is it at right now? I forget.
65.
Oh, that's annoying. I'm going to take the victory on the real trade, and God bless you, Ben.
Bless you, Ben.
And
thank you.
Potentially lose on the pick. I think I care more about the pick than the actual trade. I'm
down 2 cents.
2 cents. Let's, just trying to blow it down. All right. RCL, we're going bullish now. So I'm technically 1 for 2. No, I'm technically 0 for 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
0 for 2. 0 for 2, Mr. Champ.
RCL, put spread bullish above 160, 250. Show me the money.
162.5.
Bang.
You are
Not even
above.
close.
Yeah.
Earned 59 in premium on it. Walmart, let's get hot. Walmart, put spread bullish. 14 in premium, $79 strike. Above 79, not good. Not good. Very nice chart, Walmart. Might invest long term.
That is a bullish chart.
That is a nice chart.
I would play this bullish long term, not
I'm
financial
going
advice.
wheel.
Don't listen to us.
I might
Not financial advice. Remember this.
Huh?
Yeah, where's that
Not
banner?
financial advice. Get the banner up there.
Not finance. I'm busy.
I
Somebody
got
else
it. I'm
go.
looking for it.
Next one when we're ready.
Yeah.
Pepsi, PEP,
Pep
$38 in premium, trying to stay above 175.
175. Staying.
This is brutal. This sucks.
Ooh,
I think I'm 1 for 5 right now,
the
technically.
rise and fall of the champ.
A lot can happen. A lot of game left.
I feel like this is the Jets every season.
Yeah. No,
Actually, it's the Mets every season. They always start out looking pretty good, and then they just fall apart.
Yeah, Jets suck always.
Yeah, Jets do always suck.
Yeah. Okay. Well, what can be said is it's anyone's game. There are so many that are
Tune in on Monday morning and find out who won.
Pennies away.
We should start doing. We should start making the loser how people have to do something when they lose in fantasy football.
Yeah.
We should do that live on air.
In the comments, we've got 400 people tuned in. In the comments, what do you want PeakBot's weekly loser to do? Live, of course, on the show. So keep it appropriate. But, we can have Thomas chugging milk or something live on the show. That'd be great.
I was thinking more like YOLOing a spy contract or something.
Oh, no, I'm not risking money just because I lost. I'll risk my health. No. All right, so let's get into live picks then.
Yeah, okay. So I was thinking,
oh God,
since it's only a couple of tickers, should we take into consideration premium, how much we would have earned versus how much we would have risked? So I guess ROI is the proper measure. Yeah,
because we don't want to tie. Or maybe we do, because for the live rock paper.
Scissors. We want that.
Look, I want a live rock paper scissors, man.
Listen, I can't stand the thought of a world where Dillon's on the top of the leaderboard because he wins rock paper scissors every week.
70% of males go rock first. That's a fact.
All right, so now I know to go paper against you.
Huh?
I'll just go paper against you then.
It's
but now that he said that, he's going to go scissors.
Yeah, he's going to go scissors. I might have to
just stick with the rock.
Let's do a tie. Let's do a tiebreaker. If you guys hate the rocks paper scissors after the first tie, we'll go to premium. Or maybe we should just collect the data anyway, as we would the spread and the premium.
Yeah, we
show
would.
your net, gain loss. Okay. All right. Who's first? How are we selecting who goes first? Rocks paper scissors.
Rock paper scissors.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see if we can get the delay. Can you turn the music off? There's too much going on.
Hold on.
We're having way too much fun here today. By the way, with PeakBot, you pick the stocks. Our bots do the rest. Easy, affordable, transparent. Put a stock trader in your pocket. Hands-free trading connected directly to Tradier. If you're not on Tradier Pro, I don't know what you're doing. If you're not paying $10 a month for Tradier Pro to eliminate your commissions on options trades, 35 cents, 50 cents, 65 cents. I don't know what you're doing. All right. Ready? Little Rochambeau.
You ready?
Yeah.
Ben's ready.
We're going rocks, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, yeah, no and.
70% of males go rock first. Here we go.
You display on shoot, right?
Yeah, on shoot, we're displaying. Okay. Ben was homeschooled, so he didn't do this. Okay. Ready?
Only till high school.
Ready? Rocks, paper, scissors, shoot. Tom can't even see Thomas's face.
I'm here. I want this. Dylan won.
Dylan won.
So I'll choose.
You go first.
We're not going to
choose.
I choose. All right, I'm going last.
You want to go last?
Thomas is going to go first, and Ben will go second. All right. Thomas, please get up your Tradier screen.
Yeah, let me get the watch list opened up real quick.
Watch list and Tradier screen, please. What you're going to see here is a very brief. Ben, you got the timer. What you're going to see here is a very abbreviated rush process. We're going 5 minutes for 3 picks.
Yep.
All right.
All right. Wait. Did we do research on SPY?
No, not yet. And we have been doing that prior
All right.
to starting any clocks.
All
We
right,
want to
we'll
go
go 2 minutes SPY look.
All right, let's do it.
All right. I got it pulled up on my screen.
Okay, well, it's not shared, young.
Oh, yeah. I
young
forgot
Tom.
I unshared it. That's my fault.
YT. I don't think the world knows that. That's
The
his
world
name.
does not. Okay.
Let's look at this.
All right. So
Zoom in a bit. Zoom in a bit.
Yeah.
I'll get rid of the banner. Okay.
Is that good there?
Yeah. What day chart? How? What are we looking at? 1 year. Let's
pull up 3 month. Well, actually, let's just go to the 1 year. I like the 1 year better. There's clear resistance here.
all-time highs.
All-time highs.
Yesterday.
Resistance broke off. Now, higher high.
Zoom
higher
in.
low. Oh yeah, you're right.
Well, no, just like on the chart. Never mind. I shouldn't have.
That's good.
I'm gonna shut up.
Okay. Higher high, higher low.
Change the bars to a candlestick.
Boy, we are brutal on Tom. Ben, you should.
There we go. No, share your screen next time. I'm kidding. Okay. So higher high, higher low. Do we break from here is the question. Do we rip up 50-cent or 50 basis point cut?
Okay. Show me the technical analysis.
We trade I think we trade sideways for like a week.
I think analysts are predicting.
I think Iron Condor is really. So
What'd you
1
say, Ben?
week is a buy.
Okay. Let's see. Can we see the 3 month or the 1 month? Or let's see the 1 month chart.
3 month.
That doesn't.
3 month has been not much.
It's not doing it for me.
1 month.
Yikes.
Something's wrong with this chart right now.
Yeah, you got your candles set weird or something.
Nah, 30-minute candles. I can put on day candles.
Ben, this is like that time Thomas drove into the city.
Okay, 3 months. See, but it's forcing it to be on 1 hour candle.
Ben, please save us here, dude.
It's not cooperating. Yeah, Ben, save us and take a look at the chart. I don't know why it's not cooperating with me here.
This
All
has
right.
just been.
Share my screen.
Yeah, share your screen, Ben. I'll stop sharing mine. It's not cooperating.
Thomas, how's your SPX position looking?
Not filled.
What's the price at?
15 cents.
Okay.
Halfway.
All right, now let's actually look. Let's actually look at the chart.
All right. I don't know what's wrong with my chart. I think I was zoomed in too much.
All right.
Okay.
This is the 1 month. So we can see here, it looks like there is some anticipation built in for FOMC, which happened on Wednesday. That positive sentiment really continued to drive the market up all the way through into really yesterday, right? And then this morning, there was a little bit of a sell-off. Now we're kind of floating around a little bit because, up until Wednesday, it was pretty much straight up, except for this short pullback here. Now it looks like there was resistance at this 565 level, let's call it, maybe some 564. That could turn into support. We did get a little bounce off of 565 on a candle earlier today at 11 o'clock. There's definitely some short-term support at 560. So there's a few support lines that we would need to break under to confirm a bearish trend is forming here. I'm kind of in agreement with Thomas. I think we'll probably trade in a range of, call it 563 all the way up until 573. I'll give ourselves like a $10 range here. That's going to affect what we pick, of course, and not just here, but when I set up my portfolio for the week coming, I'm probably going to take a week where I trade a bit lighter again, right? Just wait for some of this uncertainty to settle down, at least in my mind. Of course, not financial advice, but I think it's okay to take smaller position sizes on particular weeks. I mean, coming into this week, the goal was, and the strategy was, and we talked about it. I forget when we talked about it because I wasn't on the show last Friday, but the goal for me at least was I wanted to get out of all of my positions by FOMC, by 2 o'clock when Jerome Powell would speak. And I did for the most part. I was able to take profit on a lot of them, on a lot of my positions. I think I did wind up holding on my smart spread strategy. I was pretty much sold out entirely. I think I took profit on all those positions this week, so it was a good week. I'll post that. And then on cash flow, I did hold on to 2 positions. I'm going to take a loss on Walmart, I believe, but I did mitigate risk just a little bit. I actually bought a protective put for myself just in case Walmart continues to drop, although it seems to have turned around. So anyways, long story short, I would think that we're in a range here of $10. That's my personal opinion.
So do we want to be able to select a neutral condor trade, or are we still saying pick a side? Because with 3, you're stacked one way or the other.
Well, here's the thing. If we start to consider premium, then it makes more sense to choose condors because you earn more premium with a condor.
Yeah. All right. So then let's not have that bias and just have us go hunting for good condors.
If a ticker is neutral on the watch list,
pick a direction.
You get to choose your direction.
Okay. All right. So YT,
I'm ready.
5 minutes.
Is my screen being shared?
No.
It's not. Sharing screen. I've made my decision. I think the market's going to go flat, but more bearish.
Okay.
That's
So
I'm going to start the timer, okay?
I need you to zoom in tremendously.
All right, you tell me
any white space. Thomas can't do a little pitch, man.
Thomas, give me a go, and I'll start the timer. The watch list doesn't zoom like that, Thomas. You got to use the pinch.
Thomas, look at us.
Yeah, I got it.
This is going to be a nightmare. Dude, your 5 minutes is going to be a whole minute of your 5 minutes.
Am I starting?
I didn't start it yet. No, I didn't start it yet.
Oh, okay. All right.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Set. Go.
All right. We're going to go bearish. We're going to start off with the bearish choices here. I do want to take Schwab from Dillon. I want to take another look at Schwab. What is it? SCHW. Strike price is 67. That's a good strike price. That's right around where it gapped down to. I kind of like 67. All right. Maybe I don't. No, I like it.
Already taking trades. I got to get my stick note ready, man.
Yeah, you're on dropping the ball here.
There you go. What did you want?
All right, let's go Schwab 67.
Bullish or bearish?
Bearish.
Okay, 67, 19 in premium.
Mm-hmm.
Schwab, bearish, 67 call, 19 earned in premium.
Okay, now I want to see.
4 minutes remaining.
Let's go.
By the way, this is usepeakbot.com. Well, this is our watch list actually for subscribers here, but we do have a version of this watch list on our website.
Go for the bearish lower risks. Lower. I don't want to go for the high. I don't want those like high beta ones.
All right, bearish low.
Let's go for UPS. I think UPS won me 2 weeks ago. So I want to see UPS. So UPS is 128. Strike price is at 131. 131 puts me right here. So above its little resistance, right around where it gapped. I kind of like this one. But it did find some support here. Let's go to the 3 month. Where's 131 on the 3 month? I like 131. All right, UPS, bearish, 131.
Premium?
Come
on, man.
37.
Okay. You have 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes, half time.
All right. Now I want to get at least one bullish in there just in case, hedge the position a little bit.
Well, just to know, you're only picking 3, so you will only get one bullish in there.
So I'm going to go 2 bears, 1 bull. I think, was Walmart down today?
I forget.
I think it's fairly neutral.
Oh, it was neutral. You're right. It's like at these all-time highs. I feel like it's got room to drop a little bit more.
I'd say that gap has to fill at some point. That's my opinion.
Yeah, I think it's got room to go down. I don't know. I do need a bullish one. Let's go DocuSign.
I've been trading that. Not recently, but I've traded it a lot on
So
PeakBot.
it's bullish. Bullish at 57. I don't love that strike price. A little too close. That is really close.
90 seconds.
90 seconds. Oh, I don't like this.
I love it.
I need a bullish. I feel like Starbucks could be good.
My dad loves that stock.
I'll do it for Mr. Del Rosso then. What was the strike
Fun
price?
fact: Thomas only drinks Starbucks once a year.
It's true.
All
right.
Go ahead.
Lock it in. Bullish 94, $25 in premium.
94.25. All right, Thomas.
There we go.
Selected 920, set to expire 927. All right, cool. Thomas is in. Bearish on Schwab at 67. Bearish on UPS at 131. Bullish on Starbucks at 94. Very good. Ben, you're up, dude. Can't touch any of those. Now, are we giving extra time like we would or nah? Like an extra?
Nah. No, but I think whoever goes last only gets 4 minutes.
Okay. Yeah, that's cute. All right. Ready?
Who's got the timer?
I'll get the timer. 5 minutes. Ready. Set. Go.
All right. So I got the alerts watch list up.
Looks a little different. That's okay. Same data.
I'm going to look at high buffers because premium doesn't necessarily matter right now. DJT, huge buffer. Wow, look at that. $17 strike. I mean, it's worth looking at the chart.
$6 spread on like a $13 stock. That's
DJT.
That's insane.
Wow.
I feel like this is a cheat code right now.
Is it?
Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
Lock me in, baby. DJT. Take me to the promised land.
Okay, give me the numbers.
So that's a strike of $17, bearish, $41 premium.
17, you said, and 41?
17 strike,
Okay,
41 premium. All right. Wow. Now I'm going to look at, I don't want these ETFs.
JT. Very similar, right?
Oh, we got GameStop. GameStop. Where are we at? $23 strike, trading at $21. I don't think GameStop's really going to do much this week. Let's take a look.
Till Roaring Kitties.
What have we been doing? Oh, we've been going down. $23 is my strike. That's right where this gap is at right here, where we'll find some resistance. We got a little pop up right now. Looking for the week. Ooh, kind of neutral. Mark me down as a maybe on GameStop. I'll likely have to take it just because of time here. But GameStop would be a $23 strike, $22 in premium.
3 minutes remaining.
All right. All right. I would like something bullish. Novavax. Thomas, don't you hate Novavax?
I don't love it.
Oh, no, it's Rivian. You hate Rivian.
Oh, yeah. I don't like Rivian overall.
Yeah.
But Novavax, that's ups and downs.
Redfin, Cassava, Sunrun.
You got 2 bears, by the way.
Yeah, I'm looking for a bull right now. Okay, so let's take a look at Redfin and Cassava and Sunrun. Pretty bullish. Okay. Cassava.
Whoa.
Dang. I'm going to have to take a look at that. How much time do I have left?
2 minutes, 10 seconds.
Plenty of time. Okay. All right, I'm going to take a closer look at Sava. I want to take a look. What was the strike price I was going to grab there? Sava would be the $28 strike, currently at $29.90. 28's right here, bouncing up above and below. Got some support right below 28. Trending down. Actually, there's a wedge forming here.
Let's give some support there. I don't want to help. Never mind.
I don't love it. I don't love it.
Thomas
Time check.
Giving free advice.
Time
1 minute,
check.
24 seconds. 124.
Don't
minute
back
24.
someone.
Oh, I don't like this either. Don't like that. Oh wait, this is a shorter time frame. Still don't like that. 1750 for Sunrun. 17. Oh, that's way down here. Kind of like that. All right, lock me in. That's for Sunrun.
Bullish.
Bullish. Sunrun bullish. 1750 strike. $16 premium.
All right, locked in with 43 seconds to go.
And didn't you just lose on a Sunrun bullish? Or was that bearish?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't remember.
Doubling down.
All right, so let me just pull up the watch list and I will get going here. So Ben, bearish on DJT at 17, bearish on GameStop at 23, and bullish on Sunrun at 17.5. So I will pull up my screen here in just a second and we will get going. All right. Okay. I think we're ready. Let me share screen. Tradier window. All right. Can you see it?
No, I'll switch over to it. Tell me go and I'll start the timer.
All right. Just so everybody knows, I am looking for 2 bulls, 1 bear. Ready, set, go. All right. So I'm zoomed out here and my trend got all flippy flopped. All right. So I want to find 2 bulls. I do want to find, that's a really nice buffer right here on ASTS. That's not taken, right? Let's take a look at ASTS, trying to stay above 24. Research, gonna have to zoom out. Okay. ASTS, what did I say? Above 24. Okay. So this is chaos to look at. All right. So 1 month is bearish, but we're kind of in a channel. There may be some support right around 26. This is bullish, trying to stay above 24. I gotta say, I think. Okay, that's not as fun to look at. Yeah. All right. Moving on. Okay. Looking for bullish with a big buffer. Let's sort by buffer. And let's go from there. Ooh, what is this? TSLL trying to stay above 10.5. TSLL above 10.5. Let's look at 1 month. Okay, we're bullish since the 6th, trying to stay above 10.5, which there looks to be a pretty good resistance here. It got tested a couple times back to the 13th. Give me this. TSLL bullish 10.5, earning 11 in premium. Okay. Thank you.
Got it.
All right. Novavax Sunrun running into where Ben just was. Redfin. I don't really want to touch up start. Okay. Where's the buffer on these? You know, I can go both ways with that. Let's see here. How much time do I got?
3 minutes.
Okay. Let's look at, I think Ben took TNA last week. I like this setup here. 40, it's at 45, trying to stay above 43. TNA. I haven't looked at the technical analysis tool for my first one, but it was, I felt pretty good about it anyway. So what did I say here? TNA above 43. So if we were to, I mean,
$2.15.
give me TNA bullish above 43, earned 41 in premium. Actually, I still want to sort by buffer, but I want to look for some bears. Okay, that's ridiculous. I almost want to take this DJT trade.
Minute 45.
Okay. All right. BitX. Ben traded that last week, trying to stay below 31.5. BitX below 31.5. Below 31.5. That is far too neutral. Okay. Let's see here. We haven't really seen. Well, it's not even showing up on the 5-day. 31.5. I mean, we're climbing back to that. Kind of broke out of some resistance here around 27.
1 minute warning.
All right, well, put me down for BitX bearish below 31.5 to earn 25 in premium, but I'm going to look at this MBLY below 13.5, MBLY below 13.5, strong there, below 13.5 that came up and dropping down pretty quickly. I want this one instead. MBLY bearish below 13.5, earning 15 in premium.
You got it. With 15 seconds to spare.
Okay. Yeah, we're a little too zoomed in on my face there. All right. Now we'll make Thomas big. Thomas, great hair day for Thomas today.
It's not.
So can you read me mine back, guys?
Yes. You've got TSLL bullish.
Faster.
10.50 strike.
Okay.
$11 in premium.
Next.
You got TNA bullish. $43 strike. $41 in premium.
And the last.
MBLY bearish. 13.50 strike. $15 in premium.
Feel good about it. What was the one that was 2 cents off when we were looking at earlier? Is it worth going back and looking, or let's get out of here?
It was TNA.
It was TNA.
It was
And I
TNA.
just took it.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Well, look, I, for one, like the new format. TNA still floating at 45.02. Refresh that.
Imagine it's at 45.01 at close.
That's happened. That's happened in our PeakBot picks where somebody loses by a penny. It's at 45. Oh yeah. Oh no, I'm bullish on it now.
Yeah.
Other way. All right. So those are our picks. We're not financial advisors.
No,
These picks are coming off of our trend spread watch list. It's an automated credit spread strategy, Friday to Friday, rolls your contract, so avoids assignment for the most part, and it trades with the trend. As you saw with us there, if it's bullish on the watch list, it's going to take a bullish trade in the form of a put credit spread. If it's bearish, it's going to do a call credit spread, and if it's neutral, it'll do both with an iron condor. So you can automate that. And we've been having a lot of good success on that strategy. I'd still say that's probably the leading bot traded by PeakBot traders right now. Close between that and the wheel, I'd say. And Iron Condor is coming up, which we kind of discussed. Iron Condor next week might be a nice play. So I'll be taking a closer look at that. Maybe others should too. What else, gentlemen? I think we're good. Yeah. Thomas.
Yes.
Thanks just for being here, Thomas.
I'm always here. Thank you.
Really appreciate you.
Thomas is always here.
Thomas
sees
fellas.
everything.
What?
Thomas sees everything.
No, he does. He's got his hands in everything. All right. Well, happy Friday. Thank you for tuning in. If you weren't able to catch the Tradier Summit live yesterday, go watch it. It's on their X, it's on their YouTube. Fantastic summit altogether. A lot of great speakers, a lot of great content. So appreciate them having us on, and we hope to be there next year as well. As for us, PeakBot will be live Monday morning, 8:30 a.m. Eastern. And we will be checking in on these picks. If you want to know how we did for this week, these ones that we reviewed earlier in the show, that will be posted on socials. There will be a winner. There will be a loser. 2 losers. And maybe we'll have a rocks, paper, scissors tie. And if that's the case, I'm very excited for it. By the way, I just want to say, if we're going to also keep a tally for rocks, paper, scissors, victories on the live show, I'm 1-0. You guys are not.
We're not tallying that.
Okay. Well, I think we should.
Dylan's going to tally that.
I think somebody will tally it. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for tuning in. As always, thank you to 500 viewers. We'll see you at the peak.
You know how the financial world goes. Here comes the buzzkill. Please make sure to take some time to read this boring disclaimer. We will owe you one.